Hello guys, welcome back. So the state visit of King Charles and Queen Camilla to the White House grabbed attention for more than just politics.
And then everybody that goes home tomorrow with one of these little jars of honey in honor of you guys. Yes, sir.
Queen Camilla wore a stylish dress by Dior, a brand often loved by Melania Trump. Many people believe this was a subtle message of friendship between the US and the UK. She also wore a historic brooch, adding deeper meaning to her look. During the visit, the royal couple met Donald Trump and Melania and even enjoyed the tour of the White House beehives. A mix of fashion, diplomacy, and light moments made the visit special.